Hello, welcome to my channel, Claudemir here again. Let's talk today about Hikvision NVR and this error message with live view failed. As you can see, I have 3 cameras working on my NVR, but I have a total of 4 cameras. One of them is not working here. When I click on the camera, I get this message, live view failed. Let me just explain why you get this message and how you can fix it. It's pretty simple, okay? When you take a look on the camera number 1, you see that's using the stream number 2. Here for camera number 2 is the same. For camera number 3 is trying to use the stream number 2. And for camera number 4, stream number 2 as well. So basically, when you use more than 4 camera on this configuration, the NVR automatically is going to try to use the stream number 2, the substream, not the main stream. You have 2 streams and on each camera. You can set up main stream and substream with different resolution, different frame rate, qualities in general, right? When you select 4 channels, for example, the NVR defaults to the stream number 1. So it tries to use stream number 1 for every single camera. Then the camera loads, right? Let me check, for example, camera number 3 here. When I click on it, it loads. I have no error with live view, just because I'm using stream number 1, okay? So it's pretty simple. When you come to configuration, for example, you can check this on video/audio. I have the camera number 1, main stream, and I have substream. See, the configuration is different with resolution, video quality, everything. Camera number 2, I have substream and mainstream, both of them working. I can just change the parameters here if I want to. When I go to camera number 3, you see that I get this error message. The camera does not support this function. So basically, camera number 3 does not support substream here on this NVR. So I need to use mainstream for this camera. Let's take a look at camera number 4. It supports mainstream. When I change substream, also supports and allows me to change. So when I come back here, I see that I have different cameras and they are working in different ways. Crest, for example, is connecting to the NVR using OnViv. And then I have the camera number 2 is a Hikvision camera, connects directly with Hikvision protocol. Camera number 3 is a Samsung camera or WiseNet camera, and camera number 4 is a Reolink camera, also via OnViv. So that's the reason you're getting this error. If you try to use more than 4 camera here on the screen, then if we're going to try to use the stream number 2, for example. And then what you can do here, if you still want to use on this configuration, you see camera 3 is not loading, you can just select the camera and change to mainstream. So you have different cameras working with different streaming, number 2, number 1, and number 2, okay? So for number 1 here on camera 3, let me just click on the camera now, for the camera can load, and here you go, it's working now, okay? Double click, see the camera, double click, comes back, and it's still working because I'm getting the stream number 1. When you have a lot of cameras on your screen, the idea is that NVR changes to stream number 2 so you can save bandwidth, all right? And that's a great idea from Hikvision that works that way. So it automatically changes to stream number 2 and doesn't work for some cameras. That's the reason for the live view failed message, all right? So guys, I hope you understand that and I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up and your comments. I see you in the next one.